In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to turn off auto dubbing on YouTube videos. Let's get started. If you're watching a video and YouTube is playing a dubbed version instead of the original voice, here's how to fix it. Hover over to video and click on the gear icon settings. Go to audio track and set original. Now when you play the video again, you'll hear it in original language instead of the auto dub. Keep in mind there is no way to turn off dubbing across all the YouTube. You'll need to do this for each video where it happens. If you're a YouTuber and don't want YouTube to automatically dub your videos, here's what you need to do. Click on the profile icon given at the top right. Navigate to the option YouTube Studio. Now click on the settings option given at the bottom left. Now head over to the option Upload Defaults. Click on the option Advanced Settings. Scroll down until you see Automatic Dubbing. Turn it off completely by untoggling Allow Automatic Dubbing, or set it so you have to manually review dubs in all languages before they are posted. And that's it. That's how you turn off or disable auto dubbing on YouTube. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.